Okay. Okay, everybody, could you look at the material for this based on my screen? Is it clear, my PowerPoint, everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, here it is the suggestions. Suggestions are common in a short dialogue, so you should become familiar with them, with the suggestions. Following examples show an expression of suggestions. I asked one of you, di sini ada Gina Sonia. Gina Sonia, could you help me to read aloud dealing with suggestion? I haven't talked. Silahkan Gina. Now you chance to to read in aloud dealing with the example.
Yes.
Okay, I think Gina has some trouble connection with the internet. So I need to change with another person. I'm so sorry Gina ya, karena tadi suaranya kok kurang jelas. I will ask another person, Sylvie Sophia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sylvie Sophia, now your turn to read the text, read the example. Please read loudly.
The conversation, sir.
Yeah, this one. Example from the paper of computer TOEFL test.
Example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. On the recording, you hear, man, I haven't talked with my parents in a while. Women, why don't you call them now? Narrator, what does the woman suggest? In your textbook, you read A. Calling of his visit. B. Talking about his parents. C. Calling his parents in a while. D. Phoning his family.
Okay, why the answer is D, Sylvie?
Because the woman asked to call them. So what is that? The restatement of call is phoning.
Okay, here is the same as the first material or the first skills. You need to pay attention to the synonym, pay attention to the word which has the same meaning. Kalau kita lihat ya, if you look at this in the second person, the second line, why don't you call them now? Why don't you call them now? Here, as you can see, why don't you call them now? Ada kata call them now. Call itu sinonimnya adalah phone. Is it right? So in suggestion skill, you need to find the word has the same meaning, or you need to find a synonym from what you heard from the second person. Is it clear? Jadi prinsipnya sama ya. Principally, you need to find the synonym sama dengan the first skill. Ada call them now berarti phoning his family. You need to be careful to avoid the same sound or the same word, even the same word ya. Bahkan kata yang sama pun kita hindari. As you can see here, calling off his visit. Calling off his visit itu ada kata call juga sama dengan di atas, but this choice should be avoided because this is it's too far of the meaning or of the meanings. And then talking about his parents juga, talking about his parents ini sebenarnya menyamakan dengan kata talk with my parents. Supaya Anda terkecoh, ada talk about his parents itu sama dengan talk with parents. So di sini jadikan pilihan supaya Anda terkecoh, padahal itu yang harus kita hindari. And also the same case with the point C, calling his parents in a while. Yang ini mungkin hampir lebih dekat juga nih, karena ada my parents in a while. calling his parent in a while itu sebenarnya ini hampir dekat dengan my parent in a while, ada kata call juga. Tetapi karena Anda dimintanya untuk yang maknanya sama, it's better for you to find or to choose the synonym daripada menggunakan kata yang sama. Logically, kalau Anda ngasih saran kepada orang lain, silahkan telepon orang tuamu aja sebentar. Kayaknya nggak perlu ada kata sebentar gitu ya. Karena telepon orang tua kok sebentar. So it's better for you to choose D, because D itu sinonim dari kata call them now. Them-nya adalah parent atau family. Call sinonimnya phone. Family dari mana ya sinonimnya? Is there anyone who knows? Kenapa ini family? Sinonim dari kata?
My parents.
My parents, you're right ya. My parents berarti bapak ibu. Ada S-nya. So my parents it means family. Dari keluarga saya, ya. So you need to be careful to find out the synonym. Bahkan kita menghindari yang kata yang sama. Itu lebih akurat daripada kita memilih yang katanya sama. Kecuali kalau benar-benar maknanya sama persis, ada kata yang sama dan salah. Karena sebagian memang ada yang seperti itu, tapi kebanyakan itu justru menggunakan kata yang berbeda tapi maknanya sama. In expressions of suggestions, we have three kind of expression. The first one, why not? Why titik-titik not? Di sini akan saya highlight. Wait a minute. Sini ya. Kalau Anda lihat di sini, ini tuh sama dengan ini. Why don't you? Maka why titik itu adalah don't. Why don't you call them now? Kalau yang ini biasa, guys, I wanna share to you my friend atau my classmate asked me to, for example, like to be his girlfriend misalkan. Kemudian Anda ngasih saran, why not? Ini biasa ya. Jadi why not disatuin. Kalau yang ini why not berarti why don't you? And then the last one, suggestion, you can use the word or the expression like let's study together. Kalau Anda diajak atau Anda mau mengajak, it's better for you to say let's study together. Daripada belajar sana gitu ya. Daripada Anda menyuruh, it's better for you to say suggestion. Karena suggestion itu lebih halus dan lebih membuat orang mungkin lebih bisa bergabung atau bisa tertarik dengan ajakan Anda daripada sekedar menyuruh. So suggestion is very common in communication or in conversation. You need to use why not, atau let's. Sampai di sini, any question? Ada pertanyaan?
Not yet, sir.
Cukup jelas ya? Okay, if there is no question, I'll continue to the exercise 3. I need one of you to do the exercise. Untuk Putri Masturo ya. Putri Masturo, you will answer number 1, and then I'll choose another person. Ardila Putri, you should answer number 2 based on the screen ya yang anda lihat di Zoom. And then the last one I need okay, di sini ada Noval Yasir. Noval, you should answer number 3. Okay, start from
Me, sir.
yes.
The weather's so beautiful today.
Good.
Let's walk to school instead of driving. What does the woman suggest? Let's walk to the school.
Sorry. Wait a minute. Okay.
Walk to school instead of driving.
Sambil tadi yang nomor 2, nomor 3 juga sambil dipikirkan ya. Jadi Anda tinggal baca saja.
B maybe, sir. Taking a walk instead of going to school.
Oke, you need to be careful. Tadi Anda harus mencari yang maknanya sama ya. Don't be don't choose the word yang mungkin itu katanya sama. Karena bisa jadi mengecoh. Yeah, so you need to be careful about that.
D. Going to class on foot.
That's good, ya. D. Going to class on foot. Dari kata apa? Sinonimnya?
Let's walk.
Let's walk. You're right. Let's walk itu sama dengan
Foot. Going to
go
class
on foot, ya. Let's
Yes.
walk. This is the same meaning with go on foot. Itu ya. Oke, Putri. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Selanjutnya, nomor 2. Tadi siapa? Oke,
Mr.
Ardila Putri. Oke, Ardila Putri. Number 2. Dibaca. Please read loudly so everyone can hear your voice.
I never have enough spending money.
Okay.
Why not get a part-time job? What does the man suggest? This time at her job.
Which one? ABCD?
D.
Spending less time at her job. Okay. Now let's discuss about that. Kurang tepat ya. I never have enough money spending. I never have enough spending money. Saya nggak pernah cukup tuh uangnya. Ya, mungkin nggak pernah cukup per bulannya. And then why not get a part-time job? Sarannya suruh ngapain ya, Mbak?
Kerja paruh waktu.
Iya, kerja paruh waktu. Kalau kerja paruh waktu buat apa sih? Kerja paruh waktu buat apa?
C. Earning some money.
That's good ya. Kerja paruh waktu itu untuk mendapatkan uang tambahan. Karena menyuruh kerja paruh waktu. Mungkin penghasilannya sedikit walaupun sudah diirit-irit pun tetap nggak cukup. So you need to get a part-time job. It means you need to earn some money from another work or another job. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just for your suggestion, everyone, for you all, please say it suggest. Jangan sampai suggest ya. Suggestions. Next one, number 3, will be answered by Noval. Where are you, Noval? Are you there? Now your turn. Noval mana? Noval, halo. Noval. Okay, I can't hear you, so I will change another person. Ada Cynthia Intan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Cynthia is connected. Now, number 3, what is your answer? Coba dibaca yang keras, so everyone can hear your voice. Because this listening, we need to practice how to pronounce or how to read loudly.
Okay. Man. So why item first? A. Having a dinner party.
Having a dinner party. Dari sinonim apa itu ya?
Invite some friends over the dinner.
Oke, tadi siapa yang ngasih masukan?
Gina, sir. Ini
Oh,
mohon
Gina.
maaf sih, baru masuk.
Oke, Cynthia, tadi jawaban Anda sama? Jadi because in the second line or the second person, she said why don't itu kan tadi apa? Mari gitu ya. Kenapa tidak atau saran? Nah, ini ada kata we invite some friend over the dinner. Kalau Anda ngajak beberapa teman ke makan malam, maka namanya pasti cocoknya adalah having a dinner party. Right? Cynthia, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever a party just alone like that? Pernah nggak pesta sendirian? Kan jarang ya.
Yeah.
So if invite some friends to dinner, it means it's the same meaning have a dinner party. Sampai di sini, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Karena listening itu strateginya atau teorinya will be very little, it's not much theory. So you need to practice because listening is a skill. So I will give you the exercises by using e-learning. Audionya will be embedded in that e-learning sehingga nanti Anda akan lebih stabil audionya. Melalui link akan saya kirim segera. Is there any question, everyone? If there is no question, I will end the live meeting. So now you turn to do your individual tasks dealing with listening to suggestion. Jelas ya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jadi Anda mencari sinonim tugasnya itu ya, atau mencari yang maknanya sama. Bahkan ada kata yang sama, Anda bisa jadi pertimbangkan lagi maknanya sama atau tidak. Okay, if there is no question, I will end the meeting. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sebentar, saya minta. Oh, ini udah pada keluar semua? Belum ya? Dihidupkan kameranya dong, mau tak print screen. Mampus deh, belum pakai kerudung.
Lah.
Mau saya print screen.
Saya di.
Kalau nggak pakai kerudung, ambil mukena, pakai mukena biar kelihatan soleha. Noval, hidupkan kameranya Noval. Noval nggak pakai kerudung juga nih kayaknya. Amrullah Hasbana, di sini ada Jihan. Saya mau lihat kabarnya. Ini ada Firda. Sehat semua ya. Yang bisa dilihat sementara ini adalah wajah Anda yang ceria. Ceria dan selalu bahagia gitu ya.
Amin.
Okay, everyone, I will print screen. And then sound. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.